So much snow. It's definitely a snow day in Bellefontaine today. Kids are off from school, the schools are closed, there's no online learning, and the bees are tucked in deep in their hives. They actually like all this snow because it helps to insulate them. So a nice big thick blanket of snow really does help keep them warmer. When the snow stops, I will clear a small opening just to make sure that they can get some fresh air, or if it's a warm enough day, they'll come out. But I don't see any warm days coming for a while. That's Bee Dog Shadow. Do you want to say hi? Hi. There's more snow coming this afternoon, but I think we're supposed to get upwards of 50 centimeters today, which is incredible. I love a good snowstorm. I figure if it's got to be cold, there may as well be snow. So deep inside these hives, all these bees are clustered in a great big ball together, keeping the queen so warm and toasty. I can't wait till spring. They look like giant marshmallows, toasted marshmallows. Right, Snow Dog? All summer long, we got to try and keep this one from not eating the bees in the yard. Doesn't seem to affect her at all. Snowdy, come here. Hi. Let's go into the woods a little bit. Which way? This way. Let's go. Hey. It is so snowy out here. We haven't had a snowstorm this good in quite a while. Soon it will be February, soon it will be March, and March begins beekeeping season. Yes, it does. Shadow. Please don't forget to like our videos and subscribe to our channel. You'll also find us on YouTube. We post a video almost every day. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.